Good morning, family. It's Jim Hawkins. Today is March 31st, 2026. I've got some exciting news. The silence has been lifted, not all the way. So in Victory with Ash, in the Victory with Ash family, anybody who's making videos, we all do a really, really good job. But when they put them together, yesterday or late last night, about 11 o'clock, I believe it was Pacific Standard Time, Chris Johnson, Julie Wen, and Susie McCrae got together to discuss, and it only lasted maybe not even 10 minutes. It was probably like 7 minutes. They shared some information with us as a whole, as a community, to the public. Ash had a discussion with them, I believe it was on Sunday, and things are starting to roll. It's an exciting time. If you've been sleeping, it's time to wake up. If you've been wondering if there's anything happening, this is the time. Get out there, start paying attention to what's going on, start listening to all the YouTubers that are putting out videos. I'm sure listen to Red today. I think Red said that he may not, but because of the news, he might. I'll almost bet that he'll be out there. If he's not out there today, he'll definitely be there tomorrow. But listen to him. But this is exciting times. Brush off that dust. Brush the sleep out of your eyes, or whatever they call that. Go get yourself an energy drink or a cup of coffee, or do some jumping jacks. But this is time to get excited. So again, pay attention to all the things that are going on the next few weeks. There was no time frame given, but I will share this: the information that's going to be given is not going to be given all at one time. I don't think we could take that as a human being. We won't be able to take that. So it'll be given out in steps. Ash has been very, very thoughtful of the way he's going to release this information and all the things that are getting ready to take place. So just be prepared. Start listening to those YouTubers and start getting some information back. Again, a lot of people have been saying, is anything going to happen? This is the time. It's starting to happen. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for more information at a later time. Love you guys. Have a good day, or a good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. See you next time. Bye.